Okay, so we're going to show you how to make Thai papaya salad, which is known as Som Tam. So let's see, the first step is you have to peel the green skin off, as you see here. Peel the skin off, so you've got to take all the skin off the papaya. That's the first step. And you want to unripe papaya as well. Not a sweet one, not an orange one. It's got to be green. So it's got to be green, and then you peel it, and it becomes this color. So then you wash it after you peel it, because it's kind of sticky after you peel it. Alright, so it's ready now. So we're gonna
Sap.
ต้องทำอะไร
Sap.
ต้องซับ
Sap. นี่ก็คือเครื่องปรุง
So these are the ingredients. เครื่องปรุง
เครื่องปรุง
So
นี่ก็สับ
so now we gotta grate the papaya in a special way.
น้ำปลา
This is the first, second step, or third step.
Tạm thì mày tạm thì tạm thì
So this is a special Thai way of grating the papaya. I guess you could also use like a potato peeler. I've seen people using a potato peeler, or it's a special type of grater. And it becomes like this. You want it grated as if you would grate a carrot. It's a special knife technique. First you hit it, and then you slide into it to grate it.
Có léo.
Very interesting technique she has with the knife. This is Mai's mum. So she's from the northeast of Thailand. She knows exactly how to do this. So this is the original recipe by a local, not from another part of Thailand. This is where it originates. Som Tam originates from Isan, the northeast region of Thailand. That's where she's from. Soup nước nồi lao. And if you taste the papaya like this, it's very sour.
สีไม่เหลือง
Tong si luang.
ถ้าสีเหลืองอาจจะสวย
She said it's better if it's a yellow color.
สีเหลืองๆแดงๆนั่นแหละ
But si luang one now.
ไม่สีเหลืองแต่ยังแข็งอยู่อะจะอร่อย เหลืองแต่ยังไม่สุก
Yeah.
เอาเยอะๆเหรอ
Yeah,แล้ว
ไม่พอวันนั้นเยอะกว่านี้อีกไหมกินหมดเลย
ใช่7 คน Gotta make a lot because there's 7 people in this house right now.
ฟิวก็สต็อปไปก่อนสิ
Okay. But let me
พอยัง
พอแล้ว
ไม่พอยังไหมเอาวันนั้นเลยกินได้เลยหึเอาทำอะไร
So let me go through some of the ingredients here.
เดี๋ยวอีกทีเดียวพอละ
This is fermented fish gut paste, otherwise known as plada. And that's adds a very umami fermented flavor. So that's one of the main ingredients. We've got lime, garlic, chili, tomatoes, and
น้ำมะขามเปียก
oh,
เข้าใจไหมใหม่
sorry, namakam.
น้ำมะขาม
So that's tamarind juice, tamarind paste. Sorry, tamarind paste. Tamarind paste, which is sweet and sour also at the same time. So, also we have fish sauce, which is pungent and salty. And we also have palm sugar here. So as you see in Thai food, they commonly have the 5 different flavors. And then of course we have the mortar and pestle. This is where all the magic happens. So first you put the garlic and chili, the garlic first, and beat it a bit. Katiam kon.
ฟิวก็จับผักกระเทียมแล้วก็พริก
And the chili is next. Garlic, mash up the garlic, and then put the chili inside. And use this technique. So you see her mortar and pestle technique. It's centered around the middle and sort of swirling them into the middle. So you only bang into the middle of the mortar and pestle, and then if you want to continue pounding, you have to bring the others into the middle. And now the chili and garlic are getting into our eyes. Saitaleo. And now we have to add the palm sugar, a very special type of sugar.
น้ำตาลมะพร้าว
Namtan, Macau?
น้ำตาลมะพร้าว
Macau.
น้ำตาลปี๊บ
Oh, coconut sugar, not palm sugar. Sorry. Namtan mapao. Coconut sugar. Oh. So it's a special type of sugar they have here. And then the tamarind paste is next. Tamarind paste. Then, yeah, the fish gut paste. Fermented fish paste. Let's just say fish paste. Fish gut sounds bad. And fish sauce. Saltiness from the fish sauce. So it's all there now. So you mix it in a little bit more. Oh, so it's all like a juice now. Alright, now we gotta add the lime. Then you add the lime. Mix it in. It's all like, it's a juice basically now, as you see. So that's the consistency should be that. Pad mai. So it's a very spicy, sweet, salty mix. She's tasting the mix. So now she's adding a bit more tamarind. Oh, sorry, fish paste, and fish sauce. So maybe it's too sweet. Tong kemi. She needs to make it more salty by adding these two elements. So only once you have experience, then you know the correct mix. Okay, so now she's adding the papaya. This is the main ingredient from the papaya salad, obviously. So you gotta pound the papaya now into. You have to pound the papaya and mix it with the paste so it absorbs the flavors. But a few tomato slices as well to get a juiciness and freshness. This is common. This is a special type of Thai tomato, small and round, almost like a cherry tomato. And then pound it for a while. Use a spoon at the same time to stop it going overboard. You're just mixing it gently. Don't pound too hard because then it will go everywhere. You mix it. Yeah, it's got to be a big one. If you have this much papaya, she said it's better to have a big one, but we're just using what we got here. This motor pestle is very cheap in Thailand. It's like $3 to buy this clay. So she says, if it's this size, it's for 2 people. But if you have a big one, that can be for a whole family, maybe 3-4 people. Big motor and pestle. So this is the 2 people size, a 2-person portion, I should say. Perfect. อร่อยไหม
อร่อย อร่อย มาชิมไหม
เสร็จแล้วเหรอ
เสร็จแล้ว
Oh, so there you have it. That's it. Alright. So there you have it, guys. That's the whole process from start to finish. Whole process start to finish, how to make Som Tam. Now let me try it. Tong tinหน่อย
เผ็ด
Oh, that's spicy. And I can feel the flavor. She's mixed it all in. I just took one piece of papaya, and I can already taste every single flavor she put in. The lime, the fish sauce, the chili, of course. It's hitting me immediately. So, that was it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to make papaya salad, and you can do this at home. You know, if you have these basic ingredients, go to the exotic supermarket. You can make it quite easily. As you see, it only took 10 minutes and almost no preparation at all. It's 10 to 15 minutes to make it. So it's a delicious thing, especially if you're on a diet as well. It's a very healthy dish. So that's it for now, guys. And now let me show you one more shot of the papaya salad.
เดี๋ยวเอาใส่จานให้ดู เดี๋ยวใส่จานให้ดู
Wow.
ส้มตำไทยแลนด์
Mananoy mat. Looks delicious.